In this video, we are going to learn about Google Docs. Google Docs is created by Google and we can use it for creating documents such as PDF files, other presentations, etc. You can click Ctrl plus or Ctrl minus in your laptop and you can zoom in, zoom out like this. Here, if you click over here, then you can change the name of the document. Here I have created a demo. Here you have a star icon, which means if you want to star it as a favorite, you can do that. Here we have file option. If you want to create a new document, you can click on this new icon. If you want to open an existing document, then you can click on open. Here you have share option. If you want to share with your friends, then you can share it. You can even email this or download this in the format of Microsoft Word, open document, read text, PDF format, plain text, and all other. You can also rename it from here. You have move to trash option. We have version history. Here you can check which is the current version of your document. If you have changed your document or modified, then you will have a different version numbers available. Here we have security limitations, details, language. You can choose in which language you want to write your document. We have various options for languages. As you can see, we have Gujarati, Nepali, Hindi, Marathi, and other. We can print our document from here. If you click on it, you can see this. We can save it as a PDF. We can use this Pro option. I have Pro option, so I can use that. If you are on the free plan, you cannot. Here I will enter a prompt called I want to create a simple timetable for my students. I teach maths 5 days a week, 6 hours a day from 9 to 5, and I will click create. Now behind the scene the Gemini will work for me, and boom, our schedule is created now. You can see this is a very clean schedule which is created. We have time slots here. We have Monday column, we have Tuesday column, Wednesday column. We have also some dummy values, break. We can change the color of these fonts from here. We have a very good options given over here. Let me change the color of this algebra word to the blue color. This is a brief about this schedule. So it looks pretty good. I will click on this create button and Gemini will help us on whatever we want to write on this document. We can choose a text, we can zoom in, zoom out. Let me just choose fit. Okay, if we click on 50%, then the size of the content will be changed. On 19, on 90 we have this much content size. If we click on this tab option, we have these tabs. We can add multiple tabs by clicking on plus icon. I have created a new tab, tab 2. This is our tab 1 and this is our tab 2. Let's do some experiments over here. I will show you some demos. We can change fonts. We have many fonts options over here. If we hover over any option, we have a box pop up where we can choose bold, semi bold, medium, and other options. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this. Hey there, subscribe, like this video, and a smile emoji. This is a special thing. I have created smile using text and automatically it detected and suggested me an actual smiley. Happy face smiley, sad face smiley, and a neutral face smiley. It is cool, isn't it? Now I will choose a different font size. Let's see this one, how it look like. I will write hello there. How are you? Now, now I will go to the title. I will create a title. Select 100. The size of our page is 100 because title size is bigger. My to do. Now I will create a subheading. Important tasks. Now I will use heading 1 option. No, I will use heading 3. No, I will use normal text. Here there are many options like bullet points, and there are very variations of such bullet points and number lists. You can use any of these from here. We have checkboxes. I will use a checkbox for my to do, and I will zoom in a little bit so you can see this clearly. I will write brush teeth after dinner. Brush teeth after dinner. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. If I write a wrong spelling, then it will automatically correct my spelling. For example, I have written eat, then it have corrected it to capitalized E. Now I will create a bullet point. I have created a bullet point. Drink water at least 2-3 liters. Now it have corrected the spelling. At least you can see here. It is a very good option that will automatically check and correct your spellings. Especially if you have a grammar problems like me, you can use this option. It is automatic, so you don't have to worry about anything. There is a line spacing option. If you click on line spacing, then you can choose how much how much space you can put between two lines or multiple lines. We have justify options. We will see this justify option in the next upcoming videos. I will create a numbered list. Drink water at least 2-3 liters. I can use this bold text. I will make this water bold, and color will be blue. Next I will make this green italic and with color pink, and healthy to be underlined. These are some basic options you can use. I can change this color to the blue. I have highlighted this actually. Highlighted to the green. It looks good. If you want to highlight, you can just use this option. That's it for this part. More we will see in the next part.